The Eliza Studio 2.5 installer for Windows includes two components to install: Eliza Controller and the Eliza Processor Desktop. Install both of these applications. Once both applications are installed, open Eliza Controller to get started with license activation. When you first open Eliza Controller, you will be greeted by the splash screen where you're presented with a variety of options. You can try Eliza Studio for a free 30-day trial, use the permanent Eliza Free binaural license, use an existing license key, or temporarily activate from a connected Eliza processor hardware unit. Once you've added your license information, you are ready to use Eliza Controller. Now, we can open and configure the Eliza Processor Desktop. For those that have used the Mac version, the Eliza Processor Desktop looks very familiar, with some slight changes. The Eliza Audio Bridge allows for audio inputs of up to 96 sources. The Windows version features two output modes: an Eliza Bridge output for sending outputs back to your DAW to record, and the standard audio device out to either your headphones or a multi-channel sound card for up to 12 loudspeakers. You can select your audio device type and the desired audio output device. Finally, you can set your sample rate and buffer size based on your DAW settings. Back in Eliza Controller, connect to your desktop processor. Drag your processor into the main slot and connect.